What up, man? It's your boy KB. Hey, just want to say shout out to the Lakers, the world champion Lakers, man. You know, we won the championship, 2020 world champions, back where we're supposed to be. You know what I mean? And all the haters, I want to say, you know, like, I want to say, oh, it's a COVID and the bubble and it's not a real championship. Nah, that's out. You know what I'm saying? Straight up, that's out. We world champions, you know what I mean? And if the Clippers or anybody would have got to it, they would have recognized them as champs, you know what I'm saying? So recognize us, and we in there, you know what I'm saying? And we gonna defend it next year. But you know, shout out to the Lakers though. Just put that first and foremost. But you know, gotta work, gotta do schoolwork, gotta do homework, gotta do all that, you know. Get to bed at a normal time. So let's just get to this real quick. You know, can't do all the fancy cutaways and edits and all that stuff. We're gonna get straight to it. Bro, so we got the Jordan 3s, Jordan 3 Royal Cement Blue. Man, that's how you say it. Just listening to, I'm starting to listen to a lot of YouTubers. As far as like, you know, the shoe guys, you know, shoe guys and gals. There's a young lady out there. She's doing her thing. You know, I'm starting to watching videos and stuff like that. You know, tips and tricks on, you know, how to get these shoes if you want to get them. But so this weekend was busy. Had 2 releases. These were one of them. So I ended up getting both of them. But we'll go to the other video for that one. But this one, you know, comes in that elusive box. Came off. This is different though. This is different. A little red box inside. At least I haven't seen this lately. Kind of deep cover. Alright. So you open it up. You know, reveal that right there. So, dang, do I want to rip? Like this is, I'm just opening this, y'all. So I don't want to. I'm not gonna rip that off, you know, because true being, this is a shoe I wanted to get in my hand, but just in case I want to resell, I'll see what. That's the left shoe right there. Check out the alternate laces. Comes with the black laces, but you got blue, you got white that you can throw on there. Always like that. That's a neat pack. Here's a shoe I can take out. Got paper back. Back in there, look clean. Alright, so get a little angle right in there. Yeah, nicely put together shoe. Now this leather is crazy though. This leather is crazy. Just not my colorway that I like to, you know, get down with, honestly. If it wasn't just too deep like that, but that's the only reason I might get rid of these. But that leather, that blue leather, very crazy, very crazy. You got the tongue, blue Jordan accent, all the blue leather, gray. The black laces, you know, you can swap them out like I said. You got your bottoms there, normal bottoms for these kind of J's, and then your back with the tab. They got the cement. That's why they call it the cement finish. These are more gray and black, so actual cement. You got gray on the bottom of the shoe. You know, I think the biggest, you know, biggest quality about this shoe is this leather, this blue leather. You got to feel it. It's crazy. And yeah, I just don't, you know, I think it's too deep on the colorway. Even if they were red, I would think that's too deep. I do like the white cement ones they just came out with. I have those on ice. Still didn't crack those, but we'll see what we're gonna do with these, man. You know, I think they might find a home with somebody else because somebody might want them. But man, I took a W on the SNKRS app, man. I was surprised, man. So shout out sneaker app for Jordan. For the Jordan. Hey, I gotta say it again. World champions, Lakers. You know, they didn't have nothing to do with it, but you know what I'm saying? Rest in peace to Mamba, you know what I mean? For real. Like, man, it's so good to just be back on top. You know what I mean? Whether it's a bubble or not, it's gonna be the new norm. So don't take nothing away from us. Don't take nothing away from LeBron and them cats, man. Anthony Davis, they did their thing, man. But hey, this is more like of a review. Thank you for you know, viewing this one. Yeah. Oh, not a bad kick. I just try to imagine what I'll wear with or something, you know, or is it worth keeping, you know what I mean? But that's what we're gonna do. All right. Talk to y'all later. Take care of each other.